friends, it's Laura here, and I've got a really cute mail to show you today. This is my outgoing mail for Rachel Tallman, and she is fabulous on YouTube. She's also on a design team with me, and I've been very excited to start pen paling with her, and I have a response to one of her letters here today that I wanted to show you because I think it's adorable. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's kind of like a fold-up accordion little mini album book there. And here's the cover, lots of gold glitter. I also sewed some tulle on the front into this fun ruffle pattern. We've got some dimensional stickers, lots of funness there. And then if you turn on the back, you can untie this and it allows you to open it up. When you first open it up, it says Happy Valentine's Day Mail, and those red alphabets are so fun. They're glittery, and then we've got some pink enamel dots and a gold foiled and light pink butterfly there. Grace upon grace, some more stickers, be mine. This is obviously a Valentine's Day theme here. And you can see this is just gonna keep rolling out and downward. So we've got a cute little dog here, more little stickers and decorations. Right here we have a pocket full of goodies for her, starting with one of my handmade paper clips there with the little patterned paper phrases on it. And then you can see the inside of this is just filled with lots of little goodies for her, like cute gold foil Project Life cards and different ephemeras, die cuts, and stickers and stuff for her. Folding it down again, we've got this cute little card here that's just decoration. And I've also hand-drawn a border around it, just like I did on the very front cover there. And this is where I've got my card. And you can see the card right here opens it up to the letter I wrote her. And then we've got, this is probably my favorite one of all time. It's got a picture of my bunny, and it says, Albus says hi to. And his name is Albus Dumbledore. We call him Albie. And then we've got the cute little gold foil. It says hugs and kisses. This card is also gold foil. We've got some gold glitter flags here and this cute little flag from a crepe paper line. And then also I tied in some more consistency throughout it by using the same patterned paper on a couple of different spots here as a background. And then on this very last little portion of it here, it says mail tag, and I asked her 3 questions. Who would you invite to your dream dinner party? An all-female crew. What is your biggest goal for 2019? And what are your favorite YouTube channels? And then I decorated this page with some different phrase stickers, this little kissy, some flower stickers, some fun gemstones, and enamel dots. So this is what it looks like. I really love it. I think it's so fun and cute and pink and red and all the Valentine's Day themes there. Lots of good stuff. It's very thick. And yeah, I'm excited to send this off to her today. I hope you have enjoyed seeing this unboxing of the mail that I am sending to her. I will link her channel down below so you can see all of her fun Happy Mail stuff that she does. And I would just encourage you, if you're looking for a way to scrap your stash and use up stuff from your scrapbooking stash, that creating really cool Happy Mail like this is a great way to do it. You can see how much paper I used up here and how many fun chipboard stickers and pattern papers and all that fun stuff that I used up in sending this little bit of mail to her that will hopefully brighten her day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video if you like Happy Mail videos. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the fun, creative things that I share there, and I will catch you next time. Bye!